So guys, thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Moa. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to this YouTube channel as always, and remember to click that notification bell so when I release any video you'll be the first one to get notified. So today I'm going to teach you on what is off key. What is off key for the first time? You know, so a lot of people or some people don't understand what is off key. So I'm here today to guide you and show you what is off key. So I have recorded my piano here. So that is ba na awabariki Bwana awabariki milele. If I can lower the song, it sounds like this. Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki milele. So if I sing Bwana with the previous key, Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki. So it's like Bwana awabariki Bwana. So if I sing Bwana awabariki, that is off key. Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki. So you can hear even it's getting hard. You can't even sing while off key. You are supposed to be on the key. You are supposed to be on the key that you are singing in. So just try to imagine if the choir is singing like on D and the piano you have just shifted the key on F sharp. That song is not going to sound good. That song is not going to sound cool. The choir will be singing off key and the keyboardist will be off. Everybody is off. Yeah, everybody is off. So try to avoid off key is singing on another key in a key that is not the key. I don't know if you are understanding me. You are singing on another key, but the piano player or the keyboardist is playing the piano on another key. You can see those people are not together, and there will be no way that you will sing like that. That song will be like people will not enjoy the song at all. People will be feeling that there is something lacking. There is something lacking on the song. So I hope you are understanding off key. If I can play the song at G, is usually sound like this with zero transpose. Bwana awabariki Bwana, and on F sharp is Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki me. And if even I lower more, Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki milele. And if I go higher, Bwana awabariki Bwana awabariki milele. So you can hear there is a lot of difference. You can sing on another key, yeah? When the keyboardist is playing on a certain key, you are supposed to sing on that key. I hope this lesson is being helpful, my friends, and I hope you are learning something from me. So off key, don't sing off key. Off key is like just offbeat. The offbeat is, we talk about the style or the drums, and the offbeat we talk about the style drums, but off key we talk about the instrument, the organ, the strings. You can't be playing off key while the choir is singing on another certain key. That is not cool. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I don't want this lesson to take a lot of time because I have a lot of videos that you can check on, so make sure you check on my videos. And I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Remember, we are on 2022, guys, so thank you so much, guys, for your continued support, and keep subscribing, keep liking my YouTube channel, and just comment if there is any song you want me to teach you. This all lesson, people are requesting them, and for me it's just to help them and assist them. So thank you for your time, and